Imagine pulling a drone out of a jacket pocket, launching it in seconds, and getting footage that looks like it came from a much larger, cinema-focused aircraft. The rumored DJI Mini 6 Pro is getting attention. But before the hype gets out of control, here is the most important thing you need to know. DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro. There is no confirmed product page, final specification sheet, price, or release date. Today on TechVibe, we separate reality from believable possibility and internet fantasy. One rumored upgrade could completely change what people expect from a sub-250-gram drone. Expectations are high because DJI already pushed the Mini line into serious camera territory. With the Mini 5 Pro, that drone brought a 1-inch, 50-megapixel CMOS sensor, 4K recording up to 120 frames per second, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, nightscape LiDAR, ActiveTrack 360, and dramatic gimbal rotation. A Mini 6 Pro cannot survive as a tiny refresh with a new logo and slightly longer battery life. If DJI makes it, the next model needs a real reason to upgrade. The biggest rumor centers on the camera. Several speculative reports have talked about a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor. That sounds believable as a direction, but it is not confirmed. A stacked sensor could read data faster, potentially reducing rolling shutter when the drone is moving quickly or panning across buildings, cars, and landscapes. For creators, that matters more than megapixels. Cleaner motion, faster readout, improved dynamic range, and better low-light processing could make everyday footage look noticeably more expensive. Then there is the 6K rumor. You may have seen videos claiming 6K recording is confirmed. It is not. Still, 6K would make sense if DJI wants to give filmmakers more flexibility for cropping, stabilization, reframing, and delivering sharp 4K projects. The real question is whether a tiny folding drone can record it without excessive heat, battery drain, or image quality compromises. A well-processed 6K at 30 frames per second sounds far more believable than some wild high frame rate claims online. Another upgrade that could matter even more is a variable aperture. The Mini 5 Pro uses a fixed f1.8 aperture, which is great in low light, but a variable aperture would give pilots much more control in bright conditions. Instead of relying so heavily on ND filters, creators could adjust exposure while keeping their preferred shutter speed. For travel filmmakers, real estate shooters, and creators, that could make the Mini series far more flexible. Tracking is another area where DJI could make a major jump. ActiveTrack is already impressive, but the next generation could become better at predicting movement when a subject briefly disappears behind a tree, vehicle, building, or other obstacle. Imagine filming a cyclist or car while the drone understands where a hidden subject is likely to reappear. That kind of predictive tracking would matter more than simply adding another automatic flight mode. Obstacle avoidance could also become smarter, especially at night. Since DJI already introduced advanced sensing and LiDAR-assisted low-light capabilities in the Mini 5 Pro, a future Mini 6 Pro could logically improve detection range, processing speed, and confidence in difficult lighting. That does not mean the drone would become crash-proof. No consumer drone is, but better sensing in shadows around thin branches and during sunset flights could give pilots extra protection when conditions are less than perfect. Now let's talk about the feature everyone wants: more flight time. Some online claims have pushed numbers as high as 60 minutes, and that should trigger skepticism. Achieving that endurance in a sub-250-gram performance drone would be extremely difficult without major trade-offs. A realistic improvement would come from better battery chemistry, efficient motors, lighter components, and smarter power management. Even several extra minutes of practical flight time can make a big difference when waiting for the perfect light or trying to capture one more sequence. And that brings us to the 249-gram question. For the Mini series, weight is not just a marketing number. Staying under 250 grams can provide regulatory advantages in multiple markets, depending on local rules. That creates an engineering challenge. Every better sensor, cooling component, obstacle sensor, stronger arm, and larger battery adds weight. If DJI can add meaningful upgrades while protecting the Mini's lightweight identity, that may be the most impressive achievement of all. Transmission is another mystery. Rumors have mentioned a next-generation 05 system, but there is no confirmed Mini 6 Pro transmission specification today. Users do not need a ridiculous maximum range number they may never legally use. They need a stronger, more stable video feed in congested environments, lower latency, and better resistance to interference. That is the kind of upgrade you notice every time you fly. So when could the DJI Mini 6 Pro actually arrive? Right now, there is no official launch date, The Mini 5 Pro was introduced in September 2025, so a late 2026 launch is possible, but it would be a relatively fast generational turnaround. A 2027 release may be more realistic if DJI is planning a substantial redesign rather than a minor update. Until DJI publishes a teaser, regulatory filing, product page, or official announcement, any exact launch date you see should be treated as speculation. Pricing is just as uncertain. There is no confirmed Mini 6 Pro price, and predicting an exact number would be pretending we know more than we do. If DJI adds a faster 1-inch sensor, improved obstacle sensing, new transmission hardware, and potentially a variable aperture, the company could justify a premium over the current generation. But the Mini series still has to make sense next to DJI's larger Air models, so there is a limit to how expensive a Mini can become. For viewers in the United States, there is another major issue. The regulatory environment around newly authorized foreign-made drones has become far more complicated. Current FCC rules generally prevent covered foreign-produced UAS from receiving the equipment authorization needed for importation, marketing, or sale, subject to specific exemptions. That means even if DJI launches a Mini 6 Pro internationally, US availability cannot simply be assumed. Buyers in Europe, Canada, Australia, the UK, and other markets may face a different launch situation. If you are watching from America, this could become as important as the camera specification itself. So should you wait? If you already own a Mini 4 Pro or Mini 5 Pro and it does everything you need, waiting for real information makes sense. But if you need a drone right now for travel, client work, real estate, YouTube, or a planned vacation, do not delay your projects because of a product DJI has not announced. The Mini 5 Pro already covers many features people are mistakenly attributing to the Mini 6 Pro. The exciting part is not that every rumor will come true. It is that DJI has pushed the Mini platform so far that the next meaningful upgrade has to be ambitious. A faster 1-inch sensor, smarter tracking, stronger low-light sensing, more efficient flight, better transmission, and possibly variable aperture could create one of the most capable travel drones ever made. But until DJI speaks, treat 6K 05 stacked sensors, exact battery numbers, prices, and release dates as possibilities, not promises. And now I want to hear your call. If the Mini 6 Pro arrives with only better battery life and smarter tracking, is that enough to upgrade? Or would you need 6K video and a variable aperture before spending your money? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll keep watching the real leaks and official announcements. Subscribe to TechVibe if you want future tech without the fake confirmed nonsense, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the moment this drone becomes real. Until then, fly smart, question the hype, and I'll catch you in the next one.